Domain 1, Part 3, Natural Language Processing. Definition: NLP focus on helping machine understand, interpret, and generate the human written or spoken language. For example, sentiment analysis analyze the customer review to determine if they are positive or negative. Right. So nowadays, whenever you go to any site and purchase something, are filling the form. After that, you get the feedback form there, where and in that there is the rating option is also available. So one is the least and 10 is the high. So as you give the rating basis of that, they can analyze your feedback is positive or negative. Basis of that, they process your form and get the feedback, and basis of that, they future and basis of that they enhance their performance speed and interaction user interaction UI, all these things. So this is the sentiment analysis, right? Now I'm coming to more explanation about the NLP is natural language processing. It is the branch of the AI, artificial intelligence, that focus on enabling the computer to understand and interpret and generate the human language, both text and speech. It combines the grammar, syntax, and sentiments as well, right? Machine algorithm like neural network that used to process your human communication in the way that machine can work with, right? This is the NLP. In the NLP, there is a tokenization that break your sentences into the words and meaningful units called tokens, right? For example, I love AI. So it divide into I, love, and AI. Three different parts, right? Second is the part of speech tagging. Part of speech tagging is also to identify the grammar rules like noun, verbs, and adjective. In this way, we can divide the sentences. Third one is the name entity, right? Name entity is the detect the name, date, location. For example, John lives in Paris. So John is the person and Paris is the location, right? So in key phrase extraction, we identify the important terms like extracting invoice, due date, and from where we get the email. That is the key phrase extraction. In name identity, we identify what are the entities are there. For example, I give the example John live in Paris. John is the person and Paris is the location. So these are the two entities, right? Where is the language modeling? Language modeling is the powering of the automate and predictive typing, right? On smartphones, right? So language modeling that predict the text into word into sentences that used in chatbots and autocomplete. We will know about all these things in detail in further uh, slides. But right now, this is the definition. So sentiment analysis, what it does, it determines if the text expression is positive, negative, or natural emotion. For example, this product is amazing. This is something positive feedback we are getting. If input is the worst service ever, then this is a negative sentiment, right? In real world, chatbot and the virtual assistant like uh, Alexa, Siri, and ChatGPT, these are the chatbot and these are the virtual assistant. Machine translation, that is the Google Translate, right? We can translate. Email spam detection is the filtering unwanted email. Speech to text, that is something which we use to convert into the spoken word into the text. And the customer support automation that analyze the complaint and routing them.